The COVID-19 outbreak has created unprecedented disruptions across the globe. Millions of people have lost their jobs. And in a matter of weeks, hundreds of thousands of businesses closed down as a result of the global pandemic. The Canadian government has taken immediate and significant actions to help Canadians facing hardship as a result of the COVID-19 outbreak. Hi, my name is Benedict Liao. I'm a Canadian Chartered Professional Accountant. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Canada COVID-19 Economic Response Plan that focuses on supporting businesses navigate through the hard time. Given the importance of cash flow in times like this, Government of Canada has introduced numerous programs to help businesses to get through this difficult time. In order to avoid massive layoff of employees that cause an uncontrollable spike in unemployment rate, the Government of Canada has extended the work-sharing program for businesses that are affected by the COVID-19. The maximum durations of the program has been extended from 38 weeks to 76 weeks. The work-sharing program is a business recovery program that helps employers and employees avoid layoff when there is a temporary decrease in business activities beyond the control of the employer. The program provides EI benefits to eligible employee who agrees to reduce their normal working hours and share the available work while their employer recovers. Work sharing is an agreement between employer, employee, and the Government of Canada. Work sharing program allows employer to retain qualified and experienced workers and avoid recruiting and retraining new employees when their business get back to the normal stage. For employees, they get to keep their jobs and maintain the work skills. To be eligible for a work-sharing agreement, your business must be a year-round business in Canada for at least 1 year and have 2 employees working in the work-sharing unit. For employees to be eligible for the work-sharing program, they have to be a year-round, permanent, full-time, or part-time employees needed to carry out day-to-day function of the business. In other words, they are your core employee. They also has to be qualified or eligible to receive EI benefits. Also, they have to agree to reduce their normal working hours by the same percentage and to share the work with others. Another program to help to keep Canadian employed is the Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy. This program covers 75% of wages for qualifying business for up to 3 months starting March 15. Employers of all sizes will be eligible except for the public sector's entities. This program is designed to help employers hardest hit by the COVID-19 pandemic to keep and retain workers. To qualify for these subsidies, your revenue has to drop at least by 30%. Businesses that do not qualify for the Canada Emergency Wage Subsidies may qualify for the temporary wage subsidies of 10% of wages paid from March 18th. To help businesses to cope with cash flow problems during this COVID-19 pandemic, the government has established a Business Credit Availability Program, BCAP, to provide $65 billion of additional support through the Business Development Bank of Canada, BDC, and Export Development Canada, EDC. BDC and EDC are working with financial institutions to coordinate a credit solution for individual businesses. EDC is working with financial institutions to issue a new guaranteed operating credit and cash flow term loan of up to $6.25 million to small and medium-sized enterprises. Various BDC is working with financial institutions to co-lend term loan to small and medium-sized enterprise for their operational cash flow requirements. Eligible businesses may obtain incremental credit amount of up to $6.25 million through the program. The Government of Canada also introduced a new Canada Emergency Business Account. This program will provide an interest-free loan of up to $40,000 to small businesses and not-for-profits to cover their operating costs during a period where their revenue have been reduced temporarily. To qualify, you will need to demonstrate you paid between $50,000 to $1 million in total payroll in 2019. In addition, the government is allowing all businesses to defer until after August 31st, 2020, the payment of any income taxes amount that become owing on or after March 18 and before September 2020. This relief would apply to tax balances due as well as installments. No interest or penalty will accumulate on this amount during this period. For GST, HST, and custom duties owing, the government is allowing all businesses to defer payment until June 30th, 2020. Deferral will include the amount owing for March, April, and May. We hope that these measures will provide an immediate relief to businesses that affected the most by this global health and economic crisis as a result of COVID-19 pandemic. This information may change as the government would update the program in response to the new development of the COVID-19 situation. If you have any questions or would like to have an update to this information, please contact me.